Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So it's been a long days where I'm still like uploading videos on YouTube channel. I forget like my basically motto of coming on this YouTube channel, but yeah, still I'm on the same track basically. And today I've just pick out one cue card which is about describing your favorite place to eat. So on this cue card, basically I'm going to speak, and if you are new here, you can watch my previous video on which I have uploaded speaking practices. Because if you are a beginner, so you also need to basically start speaking from today only if you want to improve your fluency in English language, because it is your mouth. If you prepare yourself fully, so you can speak whenever you want to in English language. So let's jump into this video. I'll try to speak at least more than 2 minutes. So if I talk about favorite place to eat out, that is like one cafe which is very closest to my gym, and I usually go twice in a day because I my main source of proteins come from there, and their staff is very good, and I got a discounted price in there because I'm a daily use daily consumer of that particular cafe. And along with that, there is a lot of basically buddies who go with me, and I'll basically, if I didn't went to like with my friends, so if I went there, so I will definitely got him in there. So and yeah, along with that, there is one thing which I really like is about they didn't sell any kind of junk food. So that is the main reason why I visited there, and a day-to-day basis. And there's a lot of source of protein we can get easily, and if we are running out of some sort of things, such as we I haven't prepared for meals, so I just try to basically visit there, and from there only I get all the nutritious food. So yeah, that's why I basically go out. And if I talk about like hotels or like restaurant, I um, barely basically visit there because there is no need of like visiting me to the restaurant where you will get a lot of basically food which is not good for your health. And the atmosphere was very nice over there because there is a lot of healthy person you will meet, and they basically try everything whatever they are eating, they just calculate it. So yeah, by living with those people, you realize that how it is important to basically have a focus on like health. And there is a lot of people who are like basically they are older but still they are managing this basically expensive lifestyle, because no anyone anyone can basically skip it, but it is harsh reality that at the end what basically with you is your health. There is nothing nobody is basically help you at the end of your life. If you have money, so that will also not gonna help. The main motto is your health. You need to take your health at the end of your life. So that's why the atmosphere was very good, and the cafe name is Hunger Zone. So yeah, I basically like make a lot of friends which are very closest to me in that particular cafe. And I try to basically suggest a lot of peoples. And yeah, so I there's a lot of locals peoples like around there, and we can met them very easily. So on the cue card, basically I've spoken at least for more than 2 minutes, I think. So I think basically more than 3 minutes I've spoken. So this is a very great thing for me, because as a English learner, I always try to basically speak for more than 2 minutes. But in my previous videos, I haven't able to do that. But in this video, I've done that. I am very proud of myself. Basically, you need to basically pamper yourself, and basically like there's lot sympathize yourself, because this journey is very difficult. Just you need to embrace yourself that you can able to do it. You need to believe in yourself. That is what more important. Nothing else just matter. all fame, name, all are temporary, right? So just believe in yourself. That is all for today. Bye bye. Have a good day.